girls. Yeah. I'm here today with my cousin Talia and my cousin Tiana, and this is their channel. Today we're going to be making some slime. Good night. Real good. And we're the Pateris girls. I think cousin. Real cousin. So we're going to pour some glue in first. For real. For real. So be my day. Then we're going to pour some shaving cream. Oh, you forgot me! You forgot me! Yeah, we're going to put glue. That's okay. I want the same thing as Nina. Now we're going to put shaving cream. Left and left. Now we're going to put food coloring. Now we're going to spray shaving cream. Yeah. Shaving cream now? Okay, that's going to be enough. Now we're going to add some food coloring. No, I don't need it.
You all have your stuff yet, Sylvia?
Okay. Let's turn out our food coloring. Someone needs pink. Yeah, no. Just pink. We're going to mix your shaving cream glue and food coloring. Yep. I love it. Oh, I love this pink so much. Oh my god, I need more. This pink is so beautiful. Look how mine came out from yellow pink. Do I spray it like this or put my hand? No, look at mine. I love this pink so much. I just want to keep it. Oh my god, I love mine so much. Look at mine.
I'll record more when you're
I
done.
know. That's it. I'm done mixing. Yep. Okay. Now we're going to use Tide the activator. It's like tie-dye. No, not tie-dye. Wait, do I use all this? No, just put a little bit at a time. No, you do need to do all of it. Okay, that's clean. You're putting too much. You need to make sure I mix it too good. I'm gonna put some lotion in it to make it softer and stretchier. This is like too hot. Okay. And I'm just gonna mix it up. No. Alright, I can now like hold it. Wow. That's my hair. I need the other one. Oh, where is that? Where's the side? There. Already done my slime. Mine is blue. Mine is pink. Mine is pink. And her mommy, our cousin, mommy, and her sister over there. Let's say, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. I hope you put a thumbs up. I hope you put a thumbs up. Whose is better?